Hi there, this is Maths with Angela doing a little bit on bearings. Now I'm kind of just talk through this theoretically, and then obviously you will do it using a ruler and a protractor. Okay, so I'm going to talk through how you do the question. Okay, so yeah, so then you can do it more accurately. Diagram. So thing you need to remember about bearings is they're always taken from north. So you draw a north line, or they're given a north line. They're given us three figures. Okay, so if it's 90 degrees, you're not going to write 90, you're going to write 0, 90. Okay. If the diagram is drawn accurately, you can use the scale they're given, but they'll tell you that. If it's not drawn accurately, you can use your parallel line co-interior rule, and I'll show you what I mean. So let's have a look at this first one. So Martin and Janet are in an orienteering race. Martin runs from checkpoint A to checkpoint B on a bearing of 065 degrees. Janet is going to run from checkpoint B to checkpoint A, in other words back. Work out the bearing of A from B. Okay then, so we have to draw this. Okay, so first of all, somewhere in the middle of this space here, I'm going to put A. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a north line using my ruler going up straight like that. Okay, I'm then going to put my protractor. Okay, so I can't show it in this screen, but your protractor looks like this. Okay, and your zero is here. Okay, so you're going to put your zero line on here, and then you're going to put the middle on here. Okay, so your zero line goes on here and the middle goes on here. Okay, lovely drawing. Anyway, so you're going to put your D shape on there. So you're going to come round 65 degrees from north. So you go round from 0 to 65, okay, on your protractor. And you do a little mark where that is, okay? And then it doesn't matter how the distance is because we're looking at angles. So what I'm then going to do is I'm going to do a cross here, call that B. Okay, and that's going to be my north line. Okay, so this doesn't have to be drawn accurately. This is just a diagram to explain what's going on. Okay, so then I can connect these two up. I know that this angle in here is 65. Okay, now I have two parallel lines, so I can use my co-interior rule. My co-interior rule says the angles inside the parallel lines add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so then you can work out this angle in here by doing 180 minus 65. Okay, and that gives you that angle in there. Okay, so that's one thing you've got to do. Then it says work out the bearing of A from B. So it means you're standing at B and you're turning clockwise to face A. So turning clockwise to face A means you're going from your north line, turning all the way to there. So we know that the whole turn at B is 360. So we're going to do 360 minus our interior angle here, our inside co-interior angle there. Okay, and that is how you work out the bearing of A from B. And this one here, the bearing of a ship from the lighthouse is 50 degrees. So again, you do your lighthouse, you do your north line. If you were measuring it with a protractor, you could put that on there, and you're going to join it up. So that's 50 degrees about. Okay, so it's 50 in there. Remember, this is not drawn accurately. I'm going to do my north line here. Okay, so I know that's it. The bearing of the lighthouse from the ship. Okay, so this lighthouse from the ship. So again, you're going to work out this angle in here using your co-interior, that they add up to 180 degrees, and therefore this angle here, you guessed it, is 360 minus the interior angle. Okay. Hopefully that will help. Have a go at those questions. Bye.